Hello viewers, are you experiencing Facebook Marketplace fail to public error problem? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, you need to check your internet connection. So first of all, internet connection, and make sure internet connection you're working properly. And then turn on flight mode 1 minute. After 1 minute flight mode, and then go back home screen. Now long press Facebook apps. Tap on Facebook info. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and clear data. Tap on delete. Go back. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Go back home screen. Go to Play Store. Tap on Play Store and tap on search bar. Search for Facebook. Now update your Facebook apps in latest version. If available update version. After completing update process, now restart your phone. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.